Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APR Tech. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money from Google Translate. Alright, this one Google tools that exists and everybody know it exists, but most persons don't know how to use it and make money online. Alright, so here in this video I will guide you exactly on how you can use Google Translate to make a whole lot of money online as a freelancer. All right, you may not know how to write, you don't know how to make videos, do other things, but this very skill set can make it a whole lot of millions online. All right, so these are other languages and this is English, or you can still take it from English to other languages. All right, there are everything there, all the languages are there, and the tool is free, not something premium, something you have to pay or do anything. It's totally free. All right, so let's assume, okay, this we have other languages to English, and here we're going to be having English to other languages. All right, so let's adjust this: English to other languages, English to other languages. All right, so here is English to other languages. Now we have the arrow pointing to from other languages to English, and arrow from other languages to English again, English to language, and English to other languages, and other languages to other languages. You will see everything there, and you can possibly use those methods to make a lot of money. All right, so getting to know this doesn't really matter, but where will you sell this skill? I'm going to be teaching you these things. I'm going to be showing you where do you sell it. All right, so we have a lot of freelancing sites, even Fiverr. On Fiverr you can sell this, but that isn't the major place. All right, so here is the thing: you have Google Translate, all right, from Afghanistan's Arabic to other languages. All right, so just keep observing this and you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so that's just it. All right, it's as simple as that. But where you should go is type Google Translate, and you are there. Just type Google Translate. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, now that's Google Translate. That's that for that. And where to set this skill set is you're going to be going to now you have your Google Translate opened. Okay, now you have your Google Translate open. Now here is Arabic and here is English. Okay, but I'm going to be using the first one as English so that the other part will be for other language, so that you can understand it easily. Okay, so I'm going to be using English for the first tab, then the second tab will be other languages, whether Arabic, Afghanistan's, Spanish, French, so many other languages. All right, so that's German. Like, let me say how to make money online. Okay, so from the German language we are seeing where man online Geld verdient enorm. All right, so you can see the German language is showing something different. Okay, it's showing something different, and from this aspect you can still change from German to other languages, and you will see that these work are easy. You don't need to do them manually, and there is no limitation to this. No daily limit to it. You can do as many as you can for as many clients that are needing it, that are willing to pay for it. Okay, but having known this, there are others. There is a website I will introduce to you as well that will guide you on how to sell this skill set. All right, so the website remains okay. So after getting this, let's get this first, and I will unveil the website either in my comments, in the description box, or maybe I'll put it at the end of the video. All right, I will just try as much as possible to put it at the end of the video. Okay, now we have this here. Okay, that's to Arabic, Afghanistan, Azerbaijan. This is Arabic. In Arabic you can see it here. All right, you can do this, arrange it, and then send to your client, and you get paid for just translating words. Okay, and you can even just copy it, click on copy, or maybe listen to this thing and it will read it out to you. Okay, so now that we have that, okay, you need to go to voices.com. Head over to voices.com and set up an account. a free account. We had a video on that on this channel already that talks about creating an account on Voices. Okay, go to voices.com. Whenever you're creating this account, choose translation and writing. Okay, translation and voiceover, choose that. For translational gigs, all right, you type translation so that whenever there is a job for translation, you get email from Voices, and you can charge them up to $150 or even more, depending on the kind of client that is wanting it. Okay, on Voices you can sell this kind of skill set. All right, so this is the right place you can sell this skill set, and you're supposed to put in your mind, follow the video from the beginning like I said already, so follow it. Okay, please, in case you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Right, so I already have an account here, and that's why you're seeing something like Welcome Abraham. Okay, you're seeing something like Welcome Abraham because I already have an account with them. Okay, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.